towed and glass. I just see what I don't even like cars. Yeah. Mine is literally 1400.
That's a sick Volkswagen, actually. Love that color. Holy stickers, dude.
Yeah. Like you can't see out of it. It's like, dude, I don't want to feel like I'm driving like a box truck where I can't look out the back.
I feel that, dude. I drove one of those before.
I never did, but I wouldn't.
They're not pleasant. Yeah, that is a shit ton of stickers.
And he has the sticker.
A lot of Subarus here. It's a Subaru.
It's either that or a Volkswagen.
Yeah, I know.
Those are the only two that do that.
Well, we're both wrong. It's Audi, but it is Volkswagen, so maybe you're like half right there.
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again. I have a camera. People do anything for a camera. Look at this, dude. That's one of the guys. Oh, they're all from the Sunset Club, dude. That's hilarious. This is a Ranger, but it's a Mazda Ranger.
Yeah, they're the same deal. They're different badge. So
It's just guy got in the trunk, but he has the trunk top for
nothing. Just
Maltese. He blue walled us.
That'd be funny if you had like the,
yeah, if you had
like,
that air. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. There's like one that I saw when I was coming in. That was, he actually has
Wait a second. We saw this last car meet, remember?
Yeah.
This was like parked kind of in the same row as I was. Just simple clean E30. Super sick. Somebody fucking... Dude, it's like minutes before people get kicked out of there, honestly.
Yeah.
You have a good night.
Alright, you too, guys.
Wait a second, this is the same dude, the third dude. Oh my god. That's hilarious.
Yeah, didn't we talk to this dude last time? Yeah, I got that dude.
Oh wait, is it? Yeah, it is. Holy shit, dude. How many times can we run into this guy? He was at both other car meets.
As many times as we keep doing.
The same guys didn't host the first one, that was different. That's actually hilarious, dude. If I can like see him again, dude, I'll just be like, hey, do you remember me from the last two car meets?
I'm surprised by how many mini Coopers. Yeah, she's loud.
Honestly, yeah, not common, but like here they're like
I've seen a lot of them in general recently.
I like this generation Mini Cooper. I don't need my ears. Holy shit. And it didn't even pop either. It just rang. Holy crap, man. Fuck, man. Downforce much? Chassis mounted and everything? You can eat lunch on this.
I was about to say, you know, that's so you can sit on the trunk and eat lunch.
Holy shit. This is probably the biggest wing I've seen on like a small car.
Yeah. At least in person.
Yeah, in person. Jesus.
He's got the lights in them. They're just like,
gosh.
they're just these,
killing it.
little magnetic.
I bumped it the way. I'm just gonna walk away. Dude, it's so big, like, I just don't expect it to be. It's chassis mounted, I don't think it's going anywhere.
I don't know, it's just any features that like get long and thin make me nervous.
Oh, true. Like, let's try. Jesus. I don't know shit about this car, but it looks nice. like it's won a couple awards for car shows.
Yeah, I believe it.
Right, you start doing the
Oh, this dude. Yeah, holy shit. Another one, dude. This one's on BRZ though. The last one was on Genesis.
So thick.
I mean, that actually doesn't look too obnoxious. Yeah. Oh, that's what you meant. I'm so slow. That's cool, actually. I like that. Whole sound system, everything. Sheesh. I'm stock. I'm so fucking stock. It's painful.
I felt that, bro.
Like, I have an exhaust on my car, and I just bought another exhaust, so like, I'm not helping myself either.
All I got is rims. That's it.
You had me beat on that. I don't got shit. I also have a 370Z, but like, it comes with forged rims, so I don't want to like get not forged rims, but forged rims are expensive, so
Yeah.
it fucking sucks. I feel like I'd
The
be.
most impressive part of this stuff for me is that like I could like install and it, but I wouldn't be able to not bitch up the parts before I put them in. Like it'd get like dropped or scuffed or something before it ends up in the car.
The management too, like.
Wait,
You let him go on it? Oh, it is?
What are you gonna report? I had some lady said she's gonna call a cop on me. I'll go, do it, bitch. I literally looked her in the face. I said, I'll punch your
What
kid.
should she draw? Like actually,
Like the Mona Lisa.
No, like car.
Listen, they told us to do it. Not us.
None of them look cool. Like Saab or something.
We don't know whose car this is. We're just writing our buddy's phone number
Let's
on it.
do it. Nissan. I'll look up.
I would know that.
Well, I'll
Tell your viewers if you come here, you're next.
Lady Dread.
That's fun.
The whole car needs to be. I'm gonna buy.
Listen, whoever put the Ranger gang on sideways and really deserves
there you
it.
go.
Erase it.
Have at it.
All for good time. That's so funny. Here, let me know.
Right here.
I want to chalkboard on my car. What the hell?
That was me.
That's Dan.
Honk if you're horny. Jesus.
Oh man, I love your 1997.
Happens at car beats, man. Yo, it's got fangs. Oh, dude, that's like Jeep owners.
I literally said it's a Jeep thing.
Dude, look at this dude taking up 2 spots. It's a cool car, but that's so douchey.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty.
It's nice, actually.
I mean, that little car, like, we were separate spots at the same time, but we're gonna go on separate.
It's a clean Z4, right? Can't hate on that. These are, that is deep dish as fuck.
Yeah.
And we got the Miata with the massive bazooka cannon on the end of it. I see this guy everywhere too. Yeah. It's not a bad car. It's pretty nice. I mean, I'm not a fan of black tinted taillights. It's kind of like a safety hazard.
Yeah.
I
I
prefer.
like being able to see.
Yeah. I'd rather not.
I will say that I like being able to see.
Yeah, it's not bad.
The snail logo.
Yeah, the snail. Ford be like. Oh, I did it like that. Nah, I like Fords.
What?
Yeah. Dude, Ford Mustang GT conversion, dude, the taillights. Hold on. My camera can't look up the light very well, but yeah, that's crazy. That's cool. Yes, I've actually seen this car around. And then this car has 315s in the back. Yeah, this is the same one, dude. Got the pulley. You got new seats though, those weren't there. That's crazy. is a fucking hot car. I'm not really huge on engine swaps, but that's done right. Holy. Oh, he's got a catch can. That sounds hot, dude. My Corvette fish shows all the fucking time, dude.
As pathetic as my truck is, the rain, it's like,
Really?
Yeah, well, yeah, especially if you're like pulling out or going uphill for whatever reason. Like if you're going uphill, sometimes it's just like, oh, this is ridiculous. You have like 1/3 from.
Let's see what that Mustang does. If it comes towards me, I'm running.
It's boosted. Did you fucking hear it? Holy fuck. Dude, boosted V8s are scary. Yeah, anyway. Yo, what is this guy doing?
Off the road. These are gourmet cookies.
Yo, she's selling cookies though.
Yes. I mean, granted, he was parked here like when he was being cheats.
Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Jeep life, bro. The sunflower. Alabama, dude. Alabama. What?
I wonder if some people just have big
Anime girl. What? BMW and Saab collab for this one.
No, and Volvo.
Oh, Volvo as well.
And we got 2 chicks Instagrams, but they both have boyfriends. So, unfortunately.
That's helpful. That's helpful.
I mean, I looked it up. I had to confirm. Like the second they walked away, I'm like, okay, oh, damn it. Okay, next one.
So this is how I get girls. Okay,
Yes,
I just
yes.
have a Ford Ranger.
I mean, we have phone numbers. We tried calling this one because there's a heart, so we figured no one answered. It was from Maryland. That's my buddy Vaughn's. We just want to piss him off, and that's I don't even know what that is. I think that's like a suicide hotline or something. Oh, wait, go get the grill. Oh, that's tough. My dad loved you. Sorry about that.
Okay. Rev it, bro. Rev it. That's crazy. And then it dies. It falls somewhere. It's okay to be alone. Love is a lie. I didn't get the joke.
Air it out. Squat like that old Nick.
Oh my god. It's officer, it's stock.
That's just horn. Dude, that'd be cool.
What the fuck? I am surprised there's not any more cops. Like, and the one cop that was here just didn't Escalade, bro. Or not an Escalade. What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know, but check out the Charger too. Actually.
Yeah, I saw this one when I came in as well.
Holy, the wheels, man.
Bye, guys.
I haven't seen nothing like this ever, dude. Holy shit! Yo,
No more
what?
smoking.
If any more unless someone asks for it, I just don't.
No more.
Dude, all right. It's tinted so much you can't tell, but I wonder if he has the interior where you see the wheels from the interior.
Yes, he almost certainly does.
Like, holy fuck. Stock ass Z with an exhaust, but nobody can see the exhaust. Has a clutch slave delete, but nobody can see that either. Orange S2K, that's sick. Oh, this has the Morimoto headlights. I want to get these on mine, but they're like $1,000. That is awesome. Boosted PT Cruise.
It's,
Yeah, what
oh
is
no, it's
that?
that guy. Okay, we're good. Actually, maybe it is this. I don't know.
I saw a
Oh, the
Miata.
hearts and taillights.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I saw a Miata that was so low that when it was driving on the freeway,
It was like spitting sparks. Yeah. Dude, it got the back window. Dude, that was a cold ride here.
Yeah, anyway.
Oh, look, it's a skateboard.
Oh shit, it is. It's a truck.
It's a truck.
Yeah, holy fuck. Dude with the... I don't even know what to call it. Rear windshield? Delete. I don't know, man. Anyway. Yeah. This dude is like gutted. Holy shit.
He's completely gutted.
He's got the dash. That's all he's got left, dude.
I don't even know. I don't even think these doors have glass on them.
No, I don't think they do.
And it doesn't have a window crank or anything.
Nope. Oh, those are some big tips.
Nice. I like that tips.
Oh, come on, man. He inked. He fucking inked. Fucking gunshots. Okay, fuck. I do not trust big muscle cars and people doing that shit, dude. Just a clean Golf GTI. Out of here, bro. Do it again! Nah, dude, do it again! Come on, man!
Yeah, you don't want to.
You have plenty of tire left, bro!
Oh, the bus!
Dude, smoke the bus!
Dude, there ain't a man in your family if you don't smoke those wheels.
Smoke the bus up! I don't need my ears, do it.
I'm not happy with this shit. Holy fuck! Holy shit!
The first one was
I care about my ears now! I care about my ears!
Got someone over. Cop got someone.
What is it?
Damn, dude.
Hit that shit again! Always the Volkswagens, man. Stadies are rolling in. One just turned down the road.
Oh. Coming in hot. Hot as fuck. Are we out of this bitch?
Yeah, fuck.
We out of this fucking bitch. Hey, at least I can't clickbait now. I can just say fucking cop crashed on me. Yeah.
I was at H2O and I felt enough with cops pulling up with her and shit.
Yeah, I'd say this shit is effectively fucking done. There's cops everywhere. Sheesh.